And then this surrounded by water molecule means I'm talking about hydration enthalpy. So summation of sublimation enthalpy plus ionization enthalpy, then plus hydration enthalpy give rise to which nature? Reducing nature. Okay? Ability of the substance from getting converted from A solid to A plus aqueous. Now here in these two, these enthalpies are positive, means you are supplying energy, and this hydration enthalpy is negative, right? Clear beta इतना?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when I'm talking about group one element and I'm talking about the reducing agent, ability to act as a reducing agent, here if I'm having sodium, this sodium is getting converted to Na plus acidic now. Here it is undergoing which process? Reduction or oxidation? The sodium is undergoing which process? Reduction or oxidation?
Oxidation.
Oxidation.
Here I am talking about oxidation. Substances which go under oxidation will act as reducing agent.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, yesterday we closed the topic when we were talking about how the reducing correct the ability to reduce other substance changes in a group. Okay. Now think and tell me. Now we are again coming back to the same point. As we move down the group, what happened to the ionization enthalpy?
Decreases.
decreases.
Decreases, right? So now as you move down the group, this ionization enthalpy decreases. I require less energy. So this reducing character should increase down the group,
Yes, ma'am.
right? It should increase down the group like a balloon. This reducing character of alkali metal increases down the group, but lithium has highest, lithium has highest reducing agent character, or it's a very good reducing agent, or one of the strongest reducing agent. But lithium has the highest reducing character or highest reducing power because now in case of lithium, which thing is extraordinarily having more value, this hydration enthalpy.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
please write it down. Reason why lithium shows the highest reducing power because of its small size. This hydration enthalpy is highest, which results or which accounts for because of its small size. This hydration enthalpy is highest, which accounts for its strongest reducing power, which accounts for its strongest reducing power. Written. And the least powerful is sodium. And the least powerful is sodium. Please write it down. And the least powerful is sodium. Now, beta, in your NCERT book, there's a question given. The E naught value for Cl2 slash Cl minus is 1.36 for iodine. It is 0.53 like that they have given. Problem number 10.2. If you have your NCERT, please open your NCERT and see. In that question, beta, here we are talking about the conversion of Cl2 to Cl minus or conversion of I2 to I minus. They are associated with certain values like 1.36, 0.53, and so on. Are you able to see this? 1.36, this Cl2, this Cl minus. Right? Can you see this? It will answer. When I'm talking about conversion, it shows the ease with which a particular substance, chlorine molecule, आप कैसे study करोगे इसे? Right. So if you can see here, when chlorine molecule gets converted to Cl minus, this time E reduction potential in voltage, it will be having the value 1.36. And I2 get converted to I minus with having a value reduction potential value is 0.53. Out of these two, which one do you think is strongest? Is more powerful reducing agent?
Ma'am, iodine.
नहीं बच्चे अब दोबारा सुनो. Can you see the magnitude numerical value? This value of chlorine getting converted to Cl minus is much higher as compared to iodine, which shows this is having more powerful. It will act as a powerful reducing agent as compared to iodine. Okay. Now, जब भी आपके पास ये values होंगे बेटा, the more the value, more will be the reducing character.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मेरा एक डाउट है मैम. सीमा मैम तो मैम हमें मैम वो पढ़ा रही थी मैम. इन व्हाट वेज लिथियम डिफर फ्रॉम द अल्कली मेटल्स. ये मैम
Okay,
हमें
please
मैम
repeat,
हमें
बेटा.
पढ़ा.
Can you please repeat what you are saying?
मैम सीमा मैम was teaching us a question in what ways lithium differ from other alkali metals.
Well, wait for some time. I'll be coming to that topic. I have to cover the topic with level B as well, right? So please wait for some time.
Okay,
Please
ma'am.
wait for some time, okay? It's a combined class, so we have to look at the syllabus of both the sections. Okay. Others please concentrate here. And as you know, when we are talking about chlorine, bromine, and iodine, as you move down the group, what happened to the size?
Ma'am, increase.
Increase.
As you move down the group, size increases. So the ability to take electron increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Ma'am, decrease.
So which character increases, metallic or non-metallic character?
Non-metallic.
Non-metallic character. And here we are talking about addition, non-metallic character. We are talking about non-metallic character increases or decreases? Decreases. Okay. And what about metallic character? Metallic character increases as you move down the group, and metallic character deal with the concept of removal of electrons. Okay. So here with reducing power will be either giving you this value, numerical value, or we may be asking questions directly. Why lithium is the strongest reducing agent, or why arrange? If I give you a series like lithium, potassium, rubidium, arrange them in increasing order of reducing power.
Please tell why sodium is the strongest, is the ma'am weakest.
Sodium is weakest when you add all these factors. The summation value of sodium is coming out to be the lowest. No specific reason given. Because here you will compare, because we are talking about ionization enthalpy. And as we move down the group, this magnitude of ionization enthalpy decreases. Is it okay? The magnitude of ionization enthalpy decreases as we move down the group. And in case
Do
of
we see the net energy that element is ma'am giving or obtaining?
right,
And like, can we add the all three and then find out?
Can you repeat your question, beta?
Ma'am, can we add the all three energies and find out if one is a
Can
good
we?
using agent or not? And can we add these three energies, hydration, sublimation, and ion?
Right now we are just talking in comparative term. मैंने आपको exact values तो दी ही नहीं. Are you getting my point? If I give you exact values and you add up all these values, then you will be knowing which one is the strongest.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो अभी तो जस्ट एक इरेजर बना है। चलो इसमें अगर मुझे अरेंज करना हो तो आउट ऑफ पोटेशियम रुबिडियम which one is more? Arrange these three elements, right question. Arrange these three elements in increasing power of reducing character. In
Ma'am,
increasing power.
Rubidium, potassium.
ma'am, lithium is highest, then rubidium, then potassium.
Is highest than?
Rubidium, then potassium.
Correct. Please write it down. Next heading, right, Frida? Next heading. Solutions in liquid ammonia. Next heading, please write. Solutions in liquid ammonia. All of you have been to lab, and I hope all of you have seen the bottle of ammonium hydroxide in H4OH, which is kept on the desk. What is the color of ammonium hydroxide? ध्यान है किसी को? Ammonium hydroxide bottles are kept on the desk. इसका क्या color है?
Ma'am, it doesn't have a color.
Doesn't
Ma'am,
have
it water.
Right. So when I dissolve these metals in the transparent solution of ammonia, okay, ammonium hydroxide is nothing but ammonia gas dissolved in water. Okay, or other, it sometimes much more easier for us to visualize ammonia liquid, that is ammonium hydroxide. Otherwise, also we can say we take this metal and dissolve it in ammonia, and then it get converted to blue color solution. Please write it down. When we take metals and we add it to liquid ammonia gas, we take metal and then we add it to liquid ammonia gas. It gets converted to blue color solution. Now look for the reason. First thing, all of you know, these metals have a very high tendency to dissociate as this metal ion plus electron. Now this metal ion combined with ammonia, okay, to form a complex. Plus similarly here. Right? Look at it. This metal combined with ammonia. This ammonia is simply taken to as X plus. X molecule M plus के साथ आएंगे. Y number of molecules will combine with electron. Now this ammonated electron, इसमें क्या बोलते हैं? This ammonated electron which is combined with ammonia. अब जब भी whenever we talk about color, we talk about which concept? हम colored radiations की बात करते हैं. Flame test में we talk about which thing? बेटा whenever color is associated, आप flame test की बात करते हैं. That electron absorb energy, move to higher shell, then they are unstable and they come down.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? चलो ये हमने एक कॉन्सेप्ट करा जो हम कहते हैं पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रक्चर absorb energy and move to higher shell. Why color of the plants appear to be green?
Because of chlorophyll.
Because
Chlorophyll
it,
pigment. Then.
why?
Because of chlorophyll. ma'am.
All of you know the concept of complementary color. एक कलर absorb करेगा तो उसको complementary नजर आता है, right? These emanated electron, it will absorb all red color. Absorb red color radiations. These emanated electron will absorb all red color radiations in the visible region. Yes.
Ma'am, what have you written about red color?
They have written this electron will absorb all given sample That is why. Red color सारे drop कर लिए with grey वाले. So now
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
voice is breaking.
Ma'am, now it's fine.
It's fine. देखो बेटा. So it's absorbed red color. So now the color of the solution will become blue. And here, this electron, single electron. So what will be the nature? Will it be paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Single electron, unpaired electron. Nature will be
Paramagnet.
paramagnetic. Very good. Please write down. Here the nature of this particular solution is paramagnetic. Next one, please write. On standing, slowly, this solution will liberate hydrogen and it results in the formation of amide. This solution on standing will result in the formation of amide and hydrogen gas is released. Next line. ये point है क्या है? Second point on long standing. First we will be talking about color. Second we will talk about online long standing. Third point right. In concentrated solution, लिखो बेटा. In concentrated solution, blue color changes to bronze. Blue color changes to bronze, and it becomes diamagnetic. Becomes diamagnetic. Blue color changes to bronze. So blue changes to bronze, and it becomes diamagnetic. Why it becomes diamagnetic? Anyone?
Addition of electron.
Right. Addition of excess electrons, so these unpaired electrons will become paired. From paramagnetic, it will get converted to diamagnetic. Right. Next heading. Oxides and hydroxides. Right. Next heading. Oxides and hydroxides of alkali metals. Oxides and hydroxides. Now, in the last we have seen lithium combined with oxygen to form lithium oxide. Then sodium combined with oxygen to form peroxide, and potassium, rubidium, and cesium. They combine with oxygen to form superoxide. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
What was the reason behind it? What was the reason behind it, beta? Why lithium combined with
Basis of the size.
Right. Stability of a molecule depend upon the comparable size. Which you beta? Comparable size of anion and cation. Please write it down. The two should have comparable size. Only then it is stable. Now, when I am taking this oxide, peroxide, or superoxide, react with water. First, you have already studied. If I take sodium metal, react it with water. What will form? If you have sodium metal, react it with water. What will be the end product?
Hydroxide.
Sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas.
Right, sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Similarly, here also, if I am taking this, or is a chahat of generalizable. If you want, you can take it as N also, in order to generalize. Okay. So first time it will form hydroxide to 2 M plus 2. It will simply form hydroxide. Next case में क्या होगा बेटा? It will form hydroxide, but along with this, it will form hydrogen peroxide. And in case of superoxide, it will be forming hydroxide. Along with this, it will be forming hydrogen peroxide, and along with this, it will be forming oxygen. Please write it carefully. In case of peroxide, you are getting hydrogen peroxide, and in case of superoxide, you are getting hydrogen peroxide and oxygen. Please write it down. Under this, please write oxides and peroxides are colorless when pure. Please write oxides and peroxides are colorless when pure, and superoxides are yellow or orange in color. Superoxides are yellow or orange in color. Next line. These superoxides are paramagnetic in nature. These superoxides are paramagnetic in nature. Next, write beta halides. Alkali metals combine with halogen. Halides. Next topic, right? Halides. Alkali metals combine with halogen to form high melting. Please write it down. To form high melting, colorless, crystalline solids. Crystalline solid. For example, all of you know when I'm talking about halides, simple in our mind is NaCl. Have you ever seen those who are selling roasted peanut or popcorn? Along with sand, they add salt in order to roast peanut and popcorn.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
ever seen that? कभी देखा है पिते हुए देखा है जो रेत में डाल करके रोस्टेड पीनट्स दे रहे हो या पॉपकॉर्न्स मिलते हैं लोहड़ी वगैरह के टाइम पे जनवरी में वो देखा है बेटा उसमें ना बेटा in their pot and that it takes along with sand it takes salt that is why the popcorn which comes out they are slightly salty because of the salt present in that particular pan or in that particular utensil. Okay, so this NaCl is pretty stable. What happens to NaCl? But if you take sugar and you start heating, what will happen? What will happen?
Melt.
It will melt.
सिर्फ मेल्ट होगा
मैम ब्राउन कलर का
Ma'am, burn also.
it will become brown and ultimately it will become black. Charring word use करें ना charring हो जाएगी उसकी. ठीक है, all of you are at home, do me a favor today, just take a spoon of sugar and heat it on a pan and you'll be able to see the color change and same time you'll be taking salt and heat it. There will be able to see nothing happens to the salt, which tells that this particular halides are pretty stable. Next, फटाफट से लिख बेटा. All these halides have high negative enthalpy of formation. Negative enthalpy of formation. What does it indicate? Negative enthalpy of formation.
Ma'am, heat is released while it's formed.
What does from this we are able to infer heat is released? What we are able to infer? Heat is released, energy is lost. What about the stability?
Stability is more.
And more
Stability is
stable.
more.
stability.
Now, again, when I am talking about lithium, is alkali associable. I am talking about fluoride. What will happen to the stability of fluoride as we move down the group? What about size of fluorine atom? Size of fluorine, is it small, big, or in between?
Ma'am, it is small.
Very small.
Very small. Size is very small. Now, as we move down the group, what happens to the size?
It increases.
It increases.
Increases.
Size increases or decreases as we move down the group?
Increases.
Increases.
Size increases as we move down the group, but this fluorine atom is very, very small. And when we talk about stability of halides, we talk about comparable size of anion and cation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When we are moving down, what will happen to the stability? Will the stability increase or decrease as we move down the group?
Ma'am, decrease.
Please write it down. When I am talking about metal halides, fluoride, देखो, when we are talking about metal fluorides, stability decreases as we move down the group. Stability decreases as we move down the group. But when I am comparing fluorine, bromine, and iodine, what will happen to the stability? The size keep on increasing. So the stability here, size of anion also increases and size of cation also increase. So what about stability?
It increases.
It will increase.
It increases. Right. In case of metal chloride, metal bromide, and metal iodide, stability increases down the group, whereas in metal stability decreases. Please listen. Your question by write written. Written,
Ma'am?
बच्चे? Yes.
Ma'am, so potassium chloride will be more stable than sodium chloride.
हाँ. And
Okay, ma'am.
potassium chloride is available in market. आपने कभी वो देखा है salt जो कहते हैं for high BP, low sodium salt.
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
seen वो बाहर के पैकेट्स आते हैं ऑरेंज कलर में नॉर्मल सॉल्ट आएगा and then green color packet that's written low sodium salt. When I'm talking about low sodium salt, they add more quantity of this potassium. So potassium chloride की quantity वहाँ ज्यादा होगी low sodium salt.
Ma'am.
Okay. Next, right, beta, the melting and boiling point always follow the trend. Chloride, then chloride, then bromide, then iodine. Is that melting point will always follow this trend. Next, right, all these halides, right, next point, all these halides are soluble in water. All these halides are soluble in water. But lithium fluoride and cesium iodide has low lithium fluoride and cesium iodide have low solubility. Now write for the reason. Lithium fluoride has low solubility because of which reason? कुछ क्लिक करते हैं क्या चीज हो सकती है जिसको solubility कम हो?
Hydronation.
Ma'am, low hydration
Ma'am,
enthalpy.
covalent bond.
इसमें लिखो बेटा solubility later on. अभी आप एक चैप्टर पढ़ोगे. There will be seen solubility depend upon two factors. First is lattice enthalpy plus hydration. Okay. So in case of lithium fluoride, where the size of cation and anion both is very small, it is forming a very small molecule with very small bond length. So this lattice enthalpy is very high. Lattice enthalpy means I wanted to break this molecule into gaseous sand. So this is very high. देखो बेटा, In case of lithium fluoride, lattice enthalpy is very high. Lattice enthalpy is very high. Whereas in case of cesium iodide, lithium fluoride is very high. In case of lithium fluoride. Whereas in case of cesium iodide, this hydration enthalpy is very low. This cesium, in case of cesium iodide, this hydration enthalpy is very low, due to which they have low solubility. What is the nature of these halides? Is it ionic or is it covalent?
Ma'am, ionic.
And what about lithium halides?
Ma'am, covalent.
Covalent. When it is covalent, so what will be the nature? Will it be polar or non-polar?
Ma'am, non-polar.
Non-polar.
Polar substances are soluble in
Non-polar solvent.
non-polar solvent. And one of the example of non-polar solvent is
Petroleum.
petroleum. Organic solvents. Okay, they are soluble in organic like pyridine. Little if you want. Lithium fluoride is soluble in pyridine also. Next, right, beta. Salts of oxo acids. Right, next heading. Salts of oxo acids. Whenever you use a word oxo acids, it means this replaceable hydrogen is attached with carbon. So this replaceable hydrogen is attached with oxygen. Oxo acid means this thing. Okay. Like when you have talked about sulfuric acid, when I talk about carbonates, all of them somehow has this particular structure. तभी हम इसके बात करते हैं. इसलिए लिखो बेटा. Should I draw one structure and show it to you? Structure बना दो sulfuric acid का. This replaceable hydrogen is attached with the oxygen, so I am calling it as an oxo acid. Metals. These metals react with the salts of oxo acids. Oxo acids के हम जब salt की बात करते हैं, I can talk about sulfuric acid. I can talk about carbonic acid. Okay, these are the acids. Okay, these metals react with these acids. Now this H is replaced by this particular metal. This H is replaced by this particular metal and hydrogen gas is released. So they are forming salts. Salt में कैसे बनेगा? I will give you one example and it will be very, very clear. इस तरीके here we will be having this particular salt of this particular metal. So these metals combine with oxo acids to form salts. Salts of that particular metal. अब इसी को correlate करो बेटा. Written salts of that particular acid. पहले salt बनेगा. For example, I don't know in class 10 you have studied. आप ये reaction पढ़ा है बताओ. Reaction of sodium with ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid means I am again talking about oxo acid. And then this H is replaced by NL. पढ़ाई बेटा ये वाला reaction.
मैम सोडियम एसिटेट बनेगा ना?
Sodium acetate बनेगा, right? So metal react with these oxo acids. Sodium is a metal, alkali metal. It react with oxo acid, C double bond OH, which is ONH, to form sodium salt of this particular acid.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
are able to recall. We talk about acidic nature of this ethyl molecule because it reacts with sodium to form sodium ethylene. याद आया बेटा? Only ethyl shows this particular character that it is able to react with sodium, showing it is acidic in nature.
Yes, ma'am.
हम लोग क्वेश्चन भी करते थे why this ethyl is acidic in nature. ठीक है? So write it down. These metals react with oxo acids to form the respective salt. Like here कौन से बनेगा? Sulfates बनेगा, carbonates बनेगा, and the stability of carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. Please write down. Stability of carbonates and hydrogen carbonates increases down the group. Increases down the. This is my carbonic acid H2CO3, and when it react with metals. Here again this H is replaced by Na. Now, if you look at the size of this particular anion, it's pretty big. And what happened to the size as we move down the group? Size of alkali
Increases.
increases. So the size of anion and cation become comparable. Stability will increase or decrease as we move down the group.
Increase.
Now, stability will increase or decrease as we move down the group.
Increase, ma'am.
Increase.
Carbonate has a bigger size. Size of cation also increases as we move down the group.
मैम और थर्मली अनस्टेबल का मतलब क्या होता है?
That is
थर्मली अनस्टेबल.
नहीं, स्टेबिलिटी की जब हम बात करते हैं तो हम वी टॉक अबाउट द साइज ऑफ एनायन एंड कैटायन एंड द साइज ऑफ एनायन एंड कैटायन शुड बी कंपेरेबल. बड़ा एनायन है तो जितना बड़ा कैटायन है उतना अच्छा मॉलिक्यूल बनेगा. अब here this carbonate CO3 2- is a bigger molecule, and as we move down the group the size of these cation increases. है ना, lithium sodium potassium का size बढ़ता है as we move down the group. So when you have a bigger size cation combines with bigger size anion, फिर क्या होगा? Stability will increase or decrease?
It will increase.
It will increase. So as we move down the group, stability of these carbonates will increase. Okay, please write lithium carbonate does not exist, and think for the reason. Lithium carbonate does not exist. Lithium carbonate does not exist.
Because, ma'am, it is because it's very small in size.
Right. Size of lithium is very small. Size of carbonate ion is very large. That is why it's unstable and it doesn't exist. Okay, fine, good. बेटो आप सबको कल एक ना वो मैसेज दिया गया था, शी करके स्टेम एक्टिविटी है जिसमें लॉग इन करना है वर्कशॉप के लिए. फ्रॉम गर्ल्स आई वांट 100% पार्टिसिपेशन. मुझे नाम बताओ किसका नेम डालूं मैं. बॉयज भी बताओ किसका नेम डालूं मैं. श्वेता मैम इज आल्सो वेटिंग.
मैम योर वॉइसेस वाज लैगिंग. तो मैम क्या बोला आपने? लिथियम कार्बोनेट डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट.
Hiram, lithium carbonate does not exist because the size of lithium is very small, size of carbonate ion is very large. So it's unstable. Lithium carbonate.
Ma'am yesterday told us about thermal instability also. Can you tell please?
Well, can I continue in the next class? Thermal stability and stability, and I'll be taking next class. Seema ma'am won't be taking. Shweta ma'am is waiting for the next class. ठीक है, यही बात करें. Thermal stability better depend upon the size of anion and cation. अगर comparable है तो it will be very stable molecule. If the size are not comparable, it will be unstable. ठीक है, जैसे lithium carbonate के केस में क्या होगा? बहुत difference है size में, it will be unstable. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, जितना हीट करेंगे अनस्टेबल होगा, मॉलिक्यूल डिसोसिएट होगा। अब मुझे फटाफट से बताओ, आपके ग्रुप में मैसेज आया था रिगार्डिंग विच सी स्टेम, किसका नेम फॉरवर्ड करूं मैं? फिर मैं अपने मन से नाम दे दूं।
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस जसविया,
मैम नेम्स देने के लास्ट डेट क्या है?
कितना नेम देंगे क्या है? आज ही है बेटा। आई थिंक वन शुड गो अहेड, फिर जाना चाहिए।
मैम एक्चुअली मुझे पूछना था कि मैम इज इट अ वेबिनार और इज इट लाइक अ कंपटीशन और समथिंग?
जस्ट अ वर्कशॉप,
इट्स जस्ट अ वर्कशॉप.
जस्ट अ वर्कशॉप।
And ma'am, for how long will it be?
फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग? मैक्सिमम 1 hour.
No, ma'am, not the duration of the webinar, ma'am. Like for just one day, or it's like a week thing.
one day.
Okay, ma'am.
अब बताओ, एक दिन भी नहीं निकाल सकते इतना अच्छा, बल्कि मुझे लग रहा था हम लोगों की अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिली नहीं है।
आप जितने ना
बताओ किसका नाम दो? कॉमर्स से 10 आ चुके हैं और
A
साइंस
section से
वाले, ठीक है। जज्बिया,
Ma'am, I'm interested.
वान्या, बेटा सुनो, रजिस्टर करो उसमें, ठीक है? लिंक दिया हुआ है ना, उसमें रजिस्टर करो और उसका स्क्रीनशॉट भेजो श्वेता मैम को, ठीक है? That we have done and tomorrow we'll continue from here. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
अच्छा,
tomorrow we have the chemistry practical period.
तो हम थ्योरी पढ़ेंगे।
Okay, ma'am.
इतने अच्छे नहीं हो ना, क्यों मिस हो जाएगा और आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, हम थ्योरी पढ़ेंगे। अच्छा, वन मोर थिंग, दोज हु आर हैविंग मैथ्स, मेरे पास कुछ फॉर्म्स आए हैं फिर जीके जहाँ पे फ्री एग्जामिनेशन है, सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड डू लेट मी नो, और फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व बेसिस पे फॉर्म मिल रहे हैं। दोज हु वांट टू टेक एडमिशन टेक कलेक्ट फॉर्म फ्रॉम मी। इज इट ओके? इज इट ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll see you tomorrow then. Bye bye.